welcome back to Sister Cousins Lifestyle. Today I am participating in week 2 of the Spring Clean With Me series that is hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. This week we were to clean a living room or a great room in our home. And so that's what I'm going to be tackling is this family room basically. And it is typically in this type of shape because it is a space that is enjoyed and it is a space for lounging. And so there's often things that get out of place. So today I'm going to be tackling putting everything back in its place, doing some dusting, vacuuming, getting rid of some items that should be gone, like the sound bar that's on the floor down there that is serving absolutely no purpose. So just kind of going through the space and getting it tidied up for the spring season. A special thanks to Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this channel.